Hey everybody, John at 8 Track Avenue here. I sometimes get questions regarding why some cartridges make you hear a rumbling noise, like a mechanical rumbling type noise when you're playing a tape. And this could be a bad pinch roller, this could be a bad reel, or in the case of this style of cartridge, this nylon spacer that's used in the center here is loose. And in most carts it's on there really tight so it doesn't move. So sometimes what happens is this thing is spinning along with the reel, making noise. So what I do is just take like a drop of super glue, put it right at the edge of the spindle here on the bottom of the cart, then put the spacer back in, and then I kind of twist it around a little bit just to spread the glue. And then put the reel back in so that there's some weight on this, and then let it sit for, I would say, about an hour. And that should take care of the problem if it is the spacer causing it and not the reel or the pinch roller. Hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you.